Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with clean paired data. You do not need fancy tools yet. First, remove missing values and obvious outliers so the math reflects the trend. Once done, compute basic sums, sigmix, sigma, sigmixy, and sigmix2, and the sample size n. Make sure to center x by its mean if you want numerical stability. You choose whether to include an intercept versus forcing through 0. That decision changes the formulas. Now compute the slope using the closed-form least squares formula. Plug in n, sigmixy, sigmix, and sigmix2. You'll get b equals n sigmixy sigmix sigma divided by n sigmix2 sigmix2. Once you have b, compute the intercept equals b times x, where x and y are the means. Make sure the denominator is not 0. If it is, your x values are constant. Use higher precision arithmetic to avoid rounding errors. Finish by applying the model. Compute predicted values y hat equals a plus b times x, then residuals and a fit metric such as RMSE or R squared to quantify accuracy. Once done, plot the regression line over the scatter to visually inspect fit and patterns like heteroscedasticity. If results look wrong, make sure x is not constant, check for collinearity or clear nonlinearity, and consider transforms or robust methods. If needed, re-evaluate outliers and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.